Hi again, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the elevation values, so these ones in here, to the pop-up window. Currently our script simply prints out this string in the pop-up window, so we're going to change that, and the way you do that is by first loading the elevation data into a Python list. And then in the loop here you want to say, let's say L in zip lat lon elev, like that. And here in the pop-up argument you pass the L attribute. So again, we create a list which is named elev, so variable elev. That will be a list of all the elevations, and then we iterate through these three lists. So LT will get the first item of lat, LN will get the first item of lon, L will get the first item of LF, and those items will be distributed in this function in here. So LT in here, LN in here, and L in here, EL in here. Now I want to save this and execute, but I expect to get an error, and I want you to see the error so that you get familiar with handling errors as well. So the error is happening on line 14 in this file map1.py, which is our file. Line 14 is here, so this is the line, and then we have add child pop-up. So it seems this error has to do with the pop-up object. I would say this is not a very good error message actually. It's hard to read this error and to troubleshoot it. So not very good information given by folium here. But anyway, we have some clues. So pop-up, and this says name child get name attribute error numpy.float 64 object has no attribute get name. So it seems that folium is trying to apply this getName method, which is a method inside the folium code base, and it's trying to apply it to a number. So I think that this L here is actually a number, and I can check that by saying print type L, save, execute the script. And yeah, here is the type. So this is a numpy float 64. So basically it's a float type. It's actually a special float of the numpy library, but anyway you can call it a float. So it's a number, it's not a string. But if you look at help folium dot marker, you'll see that the pop-up parameter expect a string from you as input, but instead you're passing a float number. So you don't want to do that. What you want to do is simply convert that float number to a string. Save the script, go to the terminal, execute again, go to Firefox, reload, and you get the elevation displayed correctly. Yeah, that's about it. You can also you may also want to stylize what you're displaying, so to add more information there, such as plus space meters. So I'm adding the M string to every pop-up window information for all the elevation numbers. So we're talking about 2447.0 meters. That's the elevation of the volcano. yeah, that's the idea. I hope this was clear, and I'll talk to you later.